Today's video will be extremely short but no less useful. I will tell you how to remove an unpleasant and annoying cricket in the dashboard on a Peugeot 308. A very brief background. Many owners of this car have such an engine, or maybe with other engines have something in common in terms of instruments. More precisely, somewhere behind the speedometer there is a small but a very unpleasant cricket rattling, and the sound appears only in a real car. When moving, it is either not heard or it disappears. I racked my brains for a long time where the sound came from and what to do with it. But they told me, good people, look, strange as it may seem, in order to solve this small problem, you need to climb under the hood. We are interested in this incomprehensible plastic thing. It is attached to a small stud, and as I understood, correct me if I'm wrong, from the factory, that's all. Fastening this knot, over time, over the years, this whole thing loosens a little, gives up an unpleasant rattling sound. It's barely audible, but that makes it even more irritating. The cabin is completely quiet and something's rattling quietly deep within the dashboard. Very unpleasant. So I think you've already guessed how the problem is solved. We need a standard M8 nut, an extension head. Lo and behold, the problem faded by itself. I'm still baffled how the sound from here reaches the dashboard, but the fact is, it doesn't rattle under the dashboard. It's in the engine compartment. And secondly, a sort of bonus. If you ever work on your car yourself, I'd thoroughly recommend something like this. A telescopic extension with a flashlight and magnet. I bought one on Aliexpress about 3 years ago, although they're widely available in stores now. Over time, this gadget has seriously come in handy about 5 times. As always, you're working on something and a bolt falls somewhere out of reach behind the engine. If you don't have something like this, you're in trouble. Honestly, this extension has saved me. It's really incredible. I recommend it to everyone. Don't wait until something falls somewhere and you spend 2 hours trying to retrieve it. This thing is definitely worth its money. Plus, it's actually fun to use. In short, it's ideal for hard-to-reach places. It even helped me get the nut in place today. So again, I can't recommend it enough. Looking forward to the next time. Thanks for watching.